Prepositions of time. Total 30 questions. Question 1. Many people go to church Sunday morning. Question 2. Mrs. Smith was notified a Wednesday afternoon last March. Question 3. Conditions in France were deplorable 1793. Question 4. Are you going away Easter? Question 5. We saw a ballet Julia's birthday. Question 6. We're moving house 2 months. Question 7. Are you going away on holiday summer? Question 8. We're flying Beijing the 2nd of June. Question 9. David bought his car 1998. Question 10. We assign our employees new tasks a weekly basis. Question 11. George has his Spanish class in the morning. Question 12. The conference is the 6th of June. Question 13. The concert is the 24th of September. Question 14. Julia goes to her fitness class Tuesdays. Question 15. It is sometimes difficult to calm children down bedtime. Question 16. Let's talk that over lunch. Question 17. Snow generally falls January. Question 18. We met at the restaurant 4.30. Question 19. My son was born the 29th of February. Question 20. I'll call her the evening. Question 21. I never work Saturdays. Question 22. I don't have classes Sunday. Question 23. People give chocolate eggs as presents Easter. Question 24. I am going to see my parents the weekend. Question 25. I'll talk to him Monday. Question 26. I will call her again a while. Question 27. We usually go on holiday December. Question 28. She has an appointment with the doctor at 3. Question 29. We arrived the same time. Question 30. The weather was nice his wedding day.